Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back. So let's take a look at gold. Now, to those that have yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So if you take a look at this gold, you can see that gold is actually dropping, right? We clearly can see an lower, higher highs and higher lows, no doubt about that. So gold is actually giving us a bullish move. We can also see that this gold is actually trading above this 10 period simple moving average. So definitely we would expect more bullish move on this gold. By the way, gold is giving us a pullback, right? What we can see here on this gold is a pullback. So we will see this to be an ice. Then here would be considered to be a pullback, then a new ice, and we are having a pullback. So once this pullback is over, we would expect more bullish move on gold. By the way, we are still trading above this moving average, so still more bullish move to be made. So let's see this gold, right? So we've seen something like this, a drop, and we've seen a pullback. So let's say if this gold will actually give us some more drop, that will take out this previous lows. So I will be watching out for this level, which is a level of 1890. Let's see if this gold can drop and hit that level of 1890 for the next day on our gold.